So the best time to prune mophead hydrangeas is early spring when the worst of the winter has passed. Here I'm actually pruning in late February as the customer always likes it done early. I'd usually prune a little later when there's more new growth, but as you'll see at the end of the video, it comes out really well. So using a pair of secateurs, I'm going to start by snipping off the old flower heads. Notice further down the stem numerous pairs of buds. Depending on how big you like your hydrangea, snip just above a pair of buds at an angle, allowing the rainwater to run off. It should now look something like this. Now what we want to do is cut any crisscrossing branches as they can rub together and cause disease. So you'll have to make some tough decisions here. Right at the base of the plant you can also cut out any dead woody stems. What we are aiming to create is a goblet-like effect and create good airflow throughout the plant. This is what it now looks like in the summer following my prune. If you found this video helpful, hit that subscribe button.